I'm going to tell you something that transformed my life in a way I never thought possible. But first, I want you to think about this. What does your name mean to you? For a long time, mine was just another word, something others used to call me, something that appeared on my documents, and nothing more. I never stopped to think about the true power it held until I discovered a practice that changed everything. Yes, everything. My energy, my relationships, my opportunities. It was as if something in the universe awakened and started working in my favor. Today, I'm here to share this with you because I know it can change your life too. Blessing your name is one of the most powerful ways to reprogram your energy, and the best part is you don't need anything complicated, just you, your intention, and your voice. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll understand why Jacobo Greenberg and so many ancestral traditions believe that the power of a name is much more than symbolic. It's pure energy. Our words don't just describe reality, they create it. Every time someone says your name, they're activating a vibration that affects your energy and how the universe responds to you. For years, I ignored this power, or worse, used it against myself. I realized how often I associated my name with mistakes, fears, or limitations. That day, I decided to change how I used my name. I was going to bless it, filling it with the intentions I wanted to see reflected in my life. What happened next was astonishing. In almost every culture around the world, names hold sacred meaning. In Indian traditions, names are often derived from Sanskrit and carry deep spiritual significance. For example, in Hinduism, the name Ram invokes the energy of Lord Rama, known for his virtue and courage. Similarly, Sita symbolizes purity and devotion. Names in Indian culture are not just identifiers. They are believed to embody the essence of the divine qualities they represent. In numerology, each letter of our name has a unique vibrational value, as if your name is a key to understanding who you are, your gifts, and your challenges. Even in ancient Indian texts, the power of sound and vibration is emphasized. The practice of chanting mantras, such as Om, is believed to align one's energy with the universe. The vibrations of these sacred sounds are thought to create harmony within the body and mind. But you don't need to change your name to transform its energy. You can bless it just as it is, and by doing so, change how its energy flows in your life. Have you ever thought about how sound affects everything around us? Music, the murmur of a river, birds singing at dawn, each evokes unique emotions, memories, and sensations. Our bodies and minds are designed to resonate with the vibrations we perceive. Consider Masaru Emoto's experiments, where water reacted differently to positive and negative words. Our bodies are mostly water, so imagine the impact of the words we use daily, especially our names. What vibration are you imprinting on yourself every time you say your name or hear someone else say it? Your name is one of the most constant vibrations in your life, a powerful tool when used intentionally. When you bless your name with intention, you're not just speaking random words, you're activating a specific vibration that reprograms your energy. You're transforming your name into a channel of connection with the universe, a bridge that transmits your essence, desires, and aspirations. When I began practicing this ritual, I noticed not only a change in my energy, but also in how the world reacted to me. Opportunities appeared, and my confidence grew stronger. By saying my name with intention, I was sending a clear message to the universe. This is who I am. This is what I am ready to attract. Ask yourself, What energy are you activating in yourself every time you hear or say your name? By blessing it with love, gratitude, and purpose, you change the relationship you have with yourself and how the universe starts responding to you. It's such a small act, but its impact can be significant. This ritual is an act of self-love and a reconnection with your purpose. Let me guide you through it step by step. Find a quiet place where you won't be interrupted. Light a candle if you wish to symbolize your inner light. Write your full name on a piece of paper, dedicating this act solely to this purpose. Reflect on your achievements and lessons as you write. Then, say your name out loud with intention. Break it into syllables and feel each sound vibrate through your body. Imagine a golden light spreading from your heart, cleansing negative energy and filling you with confidence and peace. Repeat it with intention, each time telling the universe, "Here I am, I'm ready to receive." Finally, bless your name with a powerful affirmation. I bless my name with love, abundance, and gratitude. My name is my power, and through it, the universe works in my favor. Feel each word, charging your name with positive energy, transforming it into a magnet for everything you desire. Practice this for 7 days, dedicating a few minutes each morning before starting your day. The results may surprise you. You might notice subtle but significant changes in your confidence, your opportunities, and your sense of peace and connection with yourself. Now, let's delve into another profound aspect of energy, your energy field. Energy fields are the unseen forces that surround and permeate everything, including us. Have you ever walked into a room and felt the tension or instantly liked someone upon meeting them? That's you sensing their energy field. Ancient wisdom from cultures worldwide recognizes these fields as integral to our well-being. Your energy field operates on multiple levels: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual, each influencing different aspects of your life. The physical level is your body's health and regulation. When balanced, you feel vibrant and alive. The emotional and mental level is where your thoughts and feelings intertwine, affecting your physical well-being. The spiritual level connects to your sense of purpose and connection to something greater. These levels are deeply interconnected, influencing and reflecting each other. Understanding how thoughts and emotions influence our energy is crucial. Your thoughts send ripples through your energy field, influencing events in your life. Positive emotions like love and joy produce higher frequencies, while negative emotions like fear and anger result in lower frequencies. These frequencies don't just affect your mood, they influence your entire being. To manage your energy field, you can practice emotional mastery by consciously managing your thoughts and emotions. Meditation is a powerful tool for this, centering your thoughts and shifting your frequency to a higher vibrational state. Magnetic visualization is another technique, where you imagine your energy field pulsating with vitality, responding to your thoughts and emotions. Ancient sages knew our thoughts and intentions shape the energy around us. Practices like loving kindness meditation and mindfulness help cultivate positive emotions and enhance your energy field. These practices aren't abstract concepts, they're practical tools for shaping your reality. By integrating these techniques into your life, you're not just improving your well-being, you're influencing the energy fields around you positively. Remember, mastering your energy field is a journey. Each practice strengthens your ability to consciously shape the energy within and around you. Take a deep breath, ground yourself, and feel the power of your own energy field. With consistent practice, you'll discover profound changes in how you feel, act, and how the universe responds to you.